Hi Talonzo, my name is Michaela. I spoke with you on the phone earlier, and as mentioned, I've just got a quick video that's going to go over your website, show you how to get new leads, and discuss your overall online presence with you. So to start, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three aspects when ranking websites along their Google platform. Number one, and probably the most important for organic movement of your website, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your site. So you have a little here with these descriptions, and then a little bit under here, a mission statement, and that's it. So not a lot of content. So let me tell you why content is so important, as well as give you an example, okay? Anytime you do a basic Google search, Wikipedia is always your number one search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So every few weeks, Google does a sweep of the internet and finds these content-rich sites and naturally just starts moving them up that Google platform. So by doing some competition research of different carpet cleaners in your area, I'm going to recommend you have about 1,500 words of content on your homepage alone. Doing this will beat out your competition, who is currently ranking for content that will outrank them, as well as allow you to get seen by Google whenever they do that sweep of the internet. With that said, we typically recommend that you break up every service you offer. So if you do carpet, upholstery, tile and grout, mattress cleaning, things like that, have their own separate page, maybe somewhere up here under like a services tab. And in doing so, this does two things. For every page we add, we're adding anywhere between 750 to 1,000 words of content. And again, what do we know about content? Google loves it, right? So the more content we have, the easier it is for Google to just move us up that platform. It also allows us to put specific keywords on those pages to rank for those search topics. So for instance, for your area, if someone typed in carpet cleaner near me or carpet cleaner, whatever town you live in, then that text needs to be in your content. So that exact phrase, those keywords that people type into a Google bar need to be in your content. That's going to allow Google to find you and match you up with some clients, okay? Let me show you what I'm talking about. This here is Ahrefs, and it gives me just an overall breakdown of how you're currently doing on the internet today. And as you can see, we're not getting any traffic to our website, primarily because we're not ranking for enough keywords. So beyond your name, TNT Carpet, which even so, you're on page 8 to start for your own business name. So keyword placement and ranking for those keywords is going to be crucial to getting our business in front of clients and getting our business exposed to more and more people. So how do we do that? Again, to start, we're going to do content, right? We're going to add a lot of content to our site, separate out our service pages, add good keywords for our area that people search a lot for, and get found on those search results. Next, there's supposed to be two numbers here, a UR and a DR. Let's talk about the UR. The UR is directly related to citation. So whenever we go to a basic Google search of your area, the GMB, or this Google map, shows up. I'm not sure you have a GMB, but if not, it's definitely worth getting. With that, how do we get to the top of this list? Well, we do that by adding citations. And a citation is anywhere that your business name, your address, and your phone number show up in some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. And in doing this, you're going to start climbing this Google ladder. I do have the ability to see how many your competition has to know how many you would need to beat them to secure a top spot, which would be crucial for most business owners, and we always tell them to strive for that because it gets you instant visibility. And being visible to as many people as possible is the goal of every business owner. So naturally, that's what we want to reach for, okay? In doing that and getting a bunch of citations, this UR number is going to start to go up. Next, let's talk about this DR. DR is directly related to backlinks, and a backlink is anywhere that your business website is clickable and visible on another business's website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com. Getting our backlink put on good, trusted websites that have a lot of traffic is going to throw a lot of influence back to our site. The more influence we have pointing back to our website, the higher this DR number is going to go. And so when both of these numbers start to climb, that means both we're getting exposed by Google and getting our business name in front of more people, as well as creating a lot of stability within our position on that Google platform. Well, I hope this was good information for you. If you don't mind, send me a quick email, tell me your thoughts about this video, or if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them as well. In the meantime, that's all I have for you right now, so I'll be in touch, but have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.